How to load your AR15 Trainer gas magazine. First, you're going to want to remove the external shell. There's going to be a little lever button right here that you're going to press on that slides off and exposes the internal core. Now, from the internal core, you will see that there is going to be two slots labeled A and B with base screws there to tighten the CO2 cartridge. What you're going to want to do is follow it alphabetically and insert your CO2 into slot A and slot B accordingly. Now, if you find that your CO2 cartridge is not locking into place or sitting into the channel properly, you're just going to want to unscrew the base plate until it slides right in. And like I said, you're going to want to tighten them accordingly from alphabetical order. Start with A and then go to B. So from here, you're just going to tighten it down until you feel a little bit of resistance, and then you're going to want to use your thumb to press it and then continue to screw. As you heard, a little bit of CO2 is released. From there, you're just going to want to continue to tighten until it creates a full seal, and then move on to channel B. And same thing, a little bit of CO2 will start to purge, but as long as you continue to tighten, it will secure into place and keep the seal in. And then from here, you're just going to want to reinsert it into the sleeve and you're good to go. Now, to remove the 12-gram CO2 cartridge, you're going to follow the same steps in reverse. However, it is important to note that even if your gun is still not firing, there still may be some CO2 trapped in the magazine. And it's very important that you remove the 12-gram CO2 cartridges slowly in order not to damage the rubber gasket on the inside. So, same pressure or same steps in reverse, you're going to just slowly unscrew it. And be very careful while doing this, keeping your thumb on. And as you can see, it is slowly releasing pressure. For demonstration purposes, this is a quite loaded magazine, but it's the same process. It'll just slowly purge out, allow it to purge, and once it empties completely, you'll be able to completely remove that CO2 cartridge. And from there, you are good to go.